Cambo UST stands last forever. After years of use, the brake might become less effective. This is easy to cure. First thing to try is readjusting the brake. Turn one screw out and turn the opposite one in. If this doesn't do it, it is time to replace the brake fork. For convenience, remove the crossarm first. This side should face the floor. Now with the stand in horizontal position, you've got to tap the pulley assembly out of the tube. Now you can slide the collar that was holding the crossarm off of the column, over the edge of the tube. This gives access to the brake fork. Here it is. Actually still in good shape, but another home mechanic must have applied some grease here. For clarity, we show the assembly on a new unit. Pay attention to this wedge shape and mount the new one in the same orientation as the one you're replacing. Have fun. Now it's time to reassemble the stand.